Welcome to your Google Workspace training. In this video, we are going to walk through Gmail. This is your business email. By the end, you'll know how to send, organize, and manage your email. Let's get started. First, open your browser and then go to mail.google.com. Kindly sign in with your business email address. That's the one ending in your company domain, not a personal Gmail. Once you're in, you'll see inbox here on the left hand side, the navigation panel, and then from here you can be able to see send emails, drafts, as well as folders. To send a new email, click the big compose button on the top left corner. A new message window will pop up. Type the recipient email address in the to field. Add a clear subject line. This helps your recipient know what your email is about in a glance. Type your message in the body. Then click on send when you're ready. Now let's talk about keeping your inbox tidy. Gmail uses labels instead of folders. Think of labels as sticky tags you can attach to any email. To create a labels, go to the label on your navigation panel on the left, click on add, give a label name, and then click on create. You can also assign a label to a specific email. So I'm going to click an email, then click on the label tab. I can create a new label or use an existing one. So in this case, I'm going to create a new label. I'm going to give it a client's name. And then click on create. You can add multiple labels in one email, so a message can be tagged in multiple labels. For example, if you're having a label for invoices as well as a label for a specific customer name. Let's talk about filters. Filters let Gmail automatically sort your incoming emails. For example, you want to tell Gmail whenever an email comes from a supplier, you automatically label it as suppliers. Go to settings. That's the gear icon on the top right. Click on it. Click see all settings. Select filters and block addresses tab. Then create a new filter. Enter the email address or a keyword that you want to filter. Choose what action that you want to take. And then after you're done, you can click on create a filter. Just a few quick tips before we wrap up. Use the search bar at the top to find any email first. You just type the name or subject or keyword. And that's Gmail. You can now send emails. Keep your inbox organized with labels and automate sorting with filters. Thank you for watching.